So let's start with this. We will have a list, and that's composed by three elements: Robert, Chris, and Scarlett. Okay. So this, whenever you're talking about lists, well, by force, we almost need to talk about indexing. Indexing is just another fancy name for knowing where things are. Okay, it's for not giving them an ID. It's like, where is it? Where is it? Okay, so that's pretty much like strings. This would be element 0, this would be element 1, and this would be element 2. Okay, so no big deal. This is as if we had like a bunch of, well, a big list, and it's divided into a lot of elements, and Robert would be here, Chris would be here, and Scarlett would be here. Okay. So if we actually print this stuff, we would actually see Robert, then we would see Chris, and we would see Scarlett. Okay. So no big deal with that. Just like that. Okay. No big deal. They're all strings, and that wouldn't be any problem. Actually, if we use the type of my list, if we just typed type my list, what we would get is list type. Okay. And if you're wondering correctly, we can check the length of this, and it would actually give us length of 3, which is the number of elements. Okay. Remember that this is 0 index, so you can have your values go from 0 to 2, but you actually have 3 elements.